Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I'm Tracy and this is my art channel. And thank you for joining us for another episode of Nate's Art Lab. Here I'm showing you all of the colors that I'm going to be using today, which are all pigments. Our challenge this month was to finger paint with Mina Villegas as being our guest artist. This was so much fun. It truly brought out my inner child. I'm showing you my consistency of my different pigments. I used the Bloom recipe, and that very first color I showed you was the Stuck Up Piggie Hoity Toity. And oh my goodness, I can honestly say I've never been so obsessed with a color. You'll see as I start laying down my colors that I'm very heavy-handed with that one because I definitely wanted it to be the star of the show. So I'm going to be quiet through the majority of this video and just let you watch and enjoy the finger painting. It took a little while for some of my cells to pop up, and I didn't get any of the tight little cells that you normally get. But again, I think that had a lot to do with actually using fingers as palette knives. But it was so much fun, so worth it, and I am so pleased with the final results. So a huge thank you to Mina Villegas for not only being our guest artist, but for giving us this idea, because again, it was a lot of fun. So sit back, enjoy, and I will touch base in the very end and go over final thoughts.
Through the arbor, in the garden room, wings are beating, dry phases of the moon, all through the stages, both becoming seen into. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond, phosphorescence. In the heavens, a billion signals move, call and answer, thousand pairs of two by two. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond, phosphorescence. Midnight halos twist tied together, turning so close together. Midnight halos twist tied together, turning so close together. Slowly we take on phosphorescence, vivid in the bond, phosphorescence.
As I said in the beginning, I did not get, tight cells or tight normal lacing like you would get with using a palette knife. But again, there's just something about this piece that I think turned out beautiful. I will admit the hardest part was getting all of these different colors to show up. I tried every lighting I could possibly think of, from no flash to a completely dark room with flash, outside with very little sunlight, by the window. It was just, I had my husband holding it at times. But the way this Hoity Toity changes colors is absolutely stunning, along with the other pigments that I used. And all of my pigments, everything I used, will definitely be listed down in the description box. There'll also be a playlist of everybody's finger painting creations from today. But again, I want to give one last huge thank you to Mina Villegas for joining us, giving us this idea. And I say this every month. If you have not joined Nate's Patreon group from Nate Bright Art, you need to. You guys see just a snippet of the videos that we post every month, but our group chats on a daily basis, it's the highlight of my day most days. So it's the greatest group of people that we help each other, we encourage each other, we advise each other. It's just a lot of fun. So I highly recommend joining. And again, thank you for joining us for this month. Again, you see me, you got trees reflecting in the background, but I'm just trying so hard to show you all the different colors of this chameleon Hoity Toity. It is gorgeous. So, as always, thank you for being here. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up, a comment. If you have any questions at all on how I did anything, I'm more than happy to answer them. And as always, until next time, bye friends.